Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Tonight I'm going to show you what I'm about to make for dinner. It is going to be soy ginger garlic, green onion, roasted chicken, and this is really good. You can either steam this or you can roast it in the oven. And right here I have a chicken that I've already prepped. I've washed it and patted the chicken dry, and all the gizzard, the heart, and the neck bone is all down here. It's all prepped and washed. Over here I have about 3 stalks of the green onion that I've washed and cut into 2-inch long strips. This is 1 small onion, 1 garlic cluster that I've cut in half. This is 1 thumb of ginger. Over here is about 4 green onion stalks that I've diced. We're going to use some soy sauce, some sesame oil, coarse kosher salt, some ground black pepper, ground ginger. I'm just going to put it in this baking dish, and I just put some foil. And I don't have any more string to tie the leg, so I forgot to get extra twine to tie the leg. So if you do have some string, go ahead and tie the legs with that. But okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff the cavity of the chicken. And these are the aromatics that I'm gonna be using. So the green onion, the yellow onion, the garlic, and the ginger. So I'm just gonna put all of this inside the chicken. But first off, I'm gonna go ahead and put some salt and pepper inside the chicken. Okay, and now we're going to just put all the stuff in there. There's the ginger, the onion, the 2 garlic clusters that I've cut in half. And this is just going to give the chicken really great flavor from the inside out. Okay, so just going to put all this in there. Now once I have that in there, I'm going to transfer the chicken to the pan. So right now I have the diced green onions, the 4 stalks of diced green onions in this bowl. And I'm just going to add some sesame oil, like about a couple tablespoons. And then soy sauce, like a tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoon. I'm kind of eyeballing this, okay? And then like about a teaspoon of ground ginger. And then some salt and pepper. I would say half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm just gonna put about a tablespoon of salt. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna mix this up. A little marinade mixture here. So this is gonna go underneath of the skin on the top of the breast of the chicken, and then it's gonna go all around it also. So I'm just mixing this well. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the green onion mixture inside the skin of the chicken, the breast. And then I'm just gonna put it all over also. Here is the neck and the other parts, the gizzard, the heart. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this all over. And I'm just gonna massage this mixture all over the chicken and let that really absorb. If you have time, you can marinate this for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator. If not, it will still be good. It'll absorb all the flavor while it's baking. So I'm gonna pour this marinade all over the chicken. Okay, so once you have all the mixture massaged on the chicken, I'm gonna let this sit for just a few minutes, and then we will put it in a 425 preheated degree oven and bake it for like an hour 15 minutes to about an hour 30 minutes. And when it reaches to the right temperature of 165, it will be done. Remember, you're gonna wanna tie the legs just like this with a string. And then the tips of the wings, so they don't burn, you want to just tuck it underneath. There we go. Just tucks right in there. There we go. So now the tips of the wings will not burn. And I'm going to put this into the oven for about an hour 15 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes. And if you guys want, you know, like a more moist chicken, you can cover it for an hour, and then the last 20 to 30 minutes, take the foil off and it'll crisp up the top. So it is fully cooked. I took it out of the oven. I let it sit on the counter for a while and let it rest. And now I am going to carve the roasted chicken. Normally the top part of the skin is over the breast, but I only took off the foil the last like 15 minutes to brown it. Okay, so what I do is after that sits for a while, I'm gonna go right in here, and I did do the thermometer. It's at the right temperature and the juices are running clear. So I'm just gonna go in here. So once the roasted chicken has been carved, you can put like steamed veggies alongside of it, whatever veggies you want to serve with the chicken, and put it on a nice platter. And I went ahead and got some of the sauce from the pan, and I'm just going to drizzle that over here, right over it, and pour it right over, just to give it that extra flavor and moisture. Here we go. So here is my Asian style roasted chicken for you. Now you can either roast this in the oven or you can steam it and just serve it alongside any steamed veggies. And you have a complete meal. This is good for family dinners, or if you're having company over, just serve it on a nice little platter. And I hope you guys try out this recipe. Let me know how you like it, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Press the like button if you like this video and really think you're gonna try this recipe out. Hopefully you do. And let me know how you like it. Thank you so much, everyone, and we will see you soon.